Hello students, come on, we'll continue the problems on index numbers. So previous session we have done the problems on chain based index. In chain based index the base will change. In case of fixed base, the index number of the base year will remain same. But here the base we are changing. For every year, previous year will be the base year. So how to convert the FBI into CBI and CBI into FBI? Fixed based index and chain based index we have seen. Now we'll continue our problems on this chain based index. Two more problems we'll do, then we'll come to the next topic, that is shifting the base. So hope everybody have taken the hard copy of the problems from the link under my description. So see the problem carefully. I am reading out the 9th problem. Prepare a fixed base index number from the chain base index numbers given below. Year 1979, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Chain index. So here in the problem, chain based index CBI is given, and we have to convert this CBI into FBI. So it's very simple, converting the CBI to FBI. So years are given, CBI are given. Now we have to find out the FBI, fixed base index. So what is the formula for fixed current year fixed base index? Current year CBI into last year's FBI divided by 100. So current year's CBI into last year's FBI divided by 100 by using this formula. Remember, first year CBI, FBI both will be same. In the first year 94, 94. Now second year we'll take the CBI of current year. Current year CBI is 104, last year FBI is 94. So 104 into 94 divided by 100, 97.76. This is the FBI. Similarly, 104 is the CBI. So 104 into 97.76 divided by 100, 101.67. Similarly, next 93 into 101.67 divided by 100, 94.55. 103 here CBI. 103 into 94.55 divided by 100, 97.39. Similarly, 102 into 97.39 divided by 100, 99.34. So in this way we convert. In this way we convert the CBI into FBI. Remember this formula. So this is the end of problem number 9. Now see the problem number 10. Given below are the chain base index, just like the previous problem. CBI is given. Convert them into fixed base index. Exactly same. Year 1998, 99, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4. Chain based index numbers are 110, 150, 100, 125, 90, 95, 125. CBI is given. So converting CBI to FBI. Years are given. CBI is given in the problem. First year CBI, FBI same. Then 150 into 110 divided by 100. Similarly 100 into 165 divided by 100. Same 165. 125 into 165 divided by 100. 206.25. 90 into 206.25 divided by 100. 95 into 185.63 divided by 100. 125 into 176.34 divided by 100. In this way we convert the CBI into FBI. Now the next topic is base shifting. Completed. We have completed the problem on CBI. Now we are coming to the next topic called base shifting. Sometimes what will happen, the base year has become very old. Now we want to shift the base. Shift the base from old base to new base. So how to convert, how to shift the base? Already index numbers are given with a particular base. Now we want to change the base from old base to new base. So how to find out the new index number according to new base? So here new index is equal to present index. Whatever present index number is given according to the old base, that present index will take in numerator. Denominator index number of new base year. In denominator we will take index number of the new base year into 100. This formula we will use to find out the new index numbers. Now see the problem number 12. Problem number 12. The following are the index numbers of wholesale prices of a commodity based on 1990. So earlier 1990 was the base. Now we want to shift the base. So year 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So from 1990 to 1996 data is given. And the base year was 1990. Now prepare a new index number taking 1992 as base. The old base was 1990. Now we want to shift the base from 1990 to 1992, and we have to construct the new index number according to new base, that is 1992, right? So here, shifting the base from 1990 to 1992, year and index number 1990 is equal to 100, means 1990 is the base. So these are the old index number according to 1990 base. Now we want to change the index number. New index number we have to calculate when 1992 is equal to 100. Means 1992 is the new base. जो भी base year रहेगा उसको 100 लेंगे. तो here 1992 को base year treat करना है. तो formula present index divided by index of the new base year divided by index of the new base year. What is the new base year? 1992. What is the index of 1992? 120. So denominator will take 120. Numerator will take present index. Denominator will take 120 into 100. That's it. So here first one index number was 100. So this will take in numerator. Denominator, the index number of the new base. What is the index number of the new base? 120. New base 1992 है, इसका index number 120 है, तो denominator 120. 100 divided by 120 into 100, you'll get 83.33. Second, 108 divided by 120 into 100, 90. Then here 120 divided by 120 into 100, 100. This is the new base. Then 150 divided by 120. Present index 150 है और index of the new base is 120. तो 150 by 120 into 100, 125. तो पूरे में denominator 120 लेंगे. 120 is the index of the new base. Then 210 divided by 120 into 100, 175. 225 divided by 120 into 100, 187.5. 240 divided by 120 into 100, 200. That's all. These are the new index number taking the base 1992. And these are the old index numbers having the base of 1990. ये 1990 के index numbers है, ये 1992 base के index numbers. That's it. This is called base shifting. So we have completed 11 problems. Come on students, we'll continue the problem on base shifting. Problem number 12. 11 problems we have completed. 12th problem, see carefully, it is again base shifting. So 11th problem exactly same. 12th one, reconstruct the following indices using 1980 as base. 1980 as base. So 1980, the index number given in the problem is 180. Presently the year 1976, 77, 78 up to 1982 year is given. Index number are given 110, 130, 150, 175, 180, 200, 220. Now we want to shift the base to 1980. तो 1980 का जो इंडेक्स नंबर है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में लेंगे. व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ 1980? 180. तो 180 will be taken in denominator. All other index number will take in numerator. For example, in the first case 1976. In 1976 the index number is given as 110. So new index number will be 110 divided by 180 into 100. Then second year 1977, the index number is given 130. So 130 divided by 180 into 100. Like that we are shifting the base. So base shifting year 1976, 77, 78, all the years are given. Old index numbers are given. Now we want to shift the base to 1980. Shifting the base to 1980. I'll write on here. Shifting the base to 1980. So 1980, what is the index number given for 1980? 180. So 180 will be taken in denominator. All other index number will take in numerator. 110 divided by 180 into 100. 130 divided by 180 into 100. 150 divided by 180 into 100. 175 divided by 180 into 100. 180 divided by 180 into 100. 100. So 200 divided by 180 into 100. 220 divided by 180 into 100. In this way we have shifted the base to 1980. The present index divided by index of the new base into 100. This is called base shifting. So only two problems are enough, 11th and 12th. Now we'll come to the next technique called splicing. Actually, splicing is a technique of combining two or more overlapping series of index numbers. It's a technique of combining two or more overlapping series of index numbers into one continuous series of index numbers. तो दो अलग अलग series of index numbers है और overlapping है. For example, A series of index numbers, B series of index numbers are given, and at one point of time both are overlapping. Now we want to combine A series and B series into one series, common series. The technique of combining two or more series into one series is called splicing. Splicing may be forward or it may be backward. Forward splicing means we are continuing the A series and we are combining the B series also into A series. For example, some 5 index numbers are given for A series. Again 5 index numbers are given for B series. But at one point of time they are overlapping. Now we want to continue the A series for the complete 10 years. That means 5 years index numbers are given. But remaining 5 years index numbers are given for B series. Now B series are combined into A series. Forward splicing. Backward splicing, B series is continued and moved backward. First 5 series, second 5 index numbers are given. We have to find out the first 5 numbers. This is called backward splicing. Now see the problem. Problem number 13 you see. Splice the following 2 series of index number with 1982 as base. And second question, 1988 as base. So 2 separate questions. The first question, we have to take 1982 as base and continue the series. Second, 1988 will be treated as base. So what are the year? Year 1982, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. 82 to 88. Now series A. Series A index numbers are given 125, 150, 180, 200. तो पहले 4 साल के इंडेक्स नंबर दे दिया 82 के, सीरीज ए के. अब सीरीज बी के जो इंडेक्स नंबर्स दिया है 4 इयर्स के दिया है, लेकिन कहां से दिया? वो 1985 से दिया. तो 1985 में सीरीज ए और सीरीज बी ओवरलैप हो रहे. देयर इज अ ओवरलैपिंग इन द ईयर 1985. सीरीज ए में 200 इंडेक्स नंबर है और वही 85 में सीरीज बी 100 इंडेक्स नंबर है. अब ये दोनों को मिलाकर एक सीरीज बनाना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू ट्रीट 1982 एज बेस. तो फर्स्ट ईयर 1982 है, इसको बेस बना के कंटिन्यू करेंगे फॉरवर्ड स्प्लाइसिंग. नाउ सी splicing taking 1982 as base year. So first year 1982 we are taking it as 100. We are taking it as 100. Now we calculate the other index number. So new index number is equal to present index divided by index of the new base year. Index of the new base year. What is the base year here? 1982. So see what is the index number for 1983. 1983 का index number 150 दिया है और 1982 का old index problem में दिया 125. In the problem, the old index of 1982 was 125. Now we are treating 1982 as the new base. तो new base है तो इसको 100 treat करेंगे. Now new index of 1983, तो 150 divided by 125 into 100, 120. 120 old index है, कौन से ईयर का? 1983. और 125 ओल्ड इंडेक्स है 1982 का. सिमिलरली 1984 का ओल्ड इंडेक्स 180 है और 125 इज द ओल्ड इंडेक्स ऑफ 1982. तो 180 डिवाइड बाय 125 इनटू 100, 144. 1985 का ओल्ड इंडेक्स 200 है, डिनोमिनेटर में इंडेक्स ऑफ द 1982 125. तो 180 डिवाइड बाय 125 इनटू 100, 144. 200 divided by 125 into 100, 160. So up to 1985 we have calculated the new index number according to 1982 base. पहले 4 साल. अब बाद के 4 साल जो है ये सीरीज बी में दिया है, उसको इंक्लूड करना है. तो यहां पर जो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 105. 105 is the index number of B series. B series का है, divided by what is the index number of 1982? 125. तो 105 divided by 125 into. अब यहां पर एक फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. द फैक्टर इज द ओवरलैपिंग इंडेक्स. ओवरलैपिंग इंडेक्स जब है तो व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ ए सीरीज दैट विल बी टेकन इन न्यूमरेटर एंड इंडेक्स ऑफ बी सीरीज विल बी टेकन इन डिनोमिनेटर. इन आवर प्रॉब्लम ए सीरीज का जो ओवरलैपिंग इंडेक्स है वो 200 है और बी सीरीज का जो ओवरलैपिंग इंडेक्स है वो 100 है, तो वी मल्टीप्लाई 200 by 100, तो 105 divided by 125 into 200 by 100 into 100, 168 is the new index. Similar 1987 में जो बी सीरीज में इंडेक्स नंबर दिया 90 दिया, तो 90 divided by 125 into, अब ओवरलैपिंग सीरीज का फैक्टर, द ओवरलैपिंग सीरीज फैक्टर इज 200 by 100 into 100, 144. देन 1988 का इंडेक्स नंबर प्रॉब्लम में दिया है 120 और 1982 का इंडेक्स 125, सबके लिए डिनोमिनेटर 125 इनटू, अब ओवरलैपिंग फैक्टर 200 by 100 इनटू 100, 192, दैट्स ऑल। अब एक कॉमन इंडेक्स नंबर हो गया, दोनों सीरीज को ओवरलैप कर लिए, ए सीरीज एंड बी सीरीज वेर स्प्लाइस्ड, कंबाइंड, and a common index number have been calculated like this. Now backward, it is asking you to calculate the new index number taking 1988 as the base. तो 1988 में base क्या है देखिए, what is the index number for 1988? It is given 120. 1988 index number is 120. तो denominator we will take 120. Denominator will take 120. तो here 120. 125 is the index of 1982 given in the problem. तो 125 divided by 120 into, अब overlapping factor. Now overlapping factor, we are splicing B series into A series. अब backward जा रहे हैं, B series को A में मिला रहे हैं और यहां पर forward था, A को B में मिला दिए थे, अब B को A में मिला रहे हैं, तो फिर यहां पर इंडेक्स नंबर 100 by 200, B सीरीज का ओवरलैपिंग इंडेक्स 100 है, तो न्यूमरेटर में 100 ले, डिनोमिनेटर में ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ ए सीरीज 200, तो 125 डिवाइड बाय 120 इंटू 100 by 200 इंटू 100, 52.08. सिमिलर कैलकुलेशन वी मेक फॉर 1983. 1983 का इंडेक्स नंबर ए सीरीज में 150 है, डिनोमिनेटर में 120 इंटू 100 by 200, दिस इज द ओवरलैपिंग फैक्टर, 100 by 200 इंटू 100, 62.5. 1984 180 डिवाइड बाय 120 इंटू 100 by 200 इंटू 100. 1985 200 डिवाइड बाय 120 इंटू 100 by 200 इंटू 100, यहां तक पूरे हो, ये ओवरलैपिंग हो गया ए सीरीज का। अब बी सीरीज का सेम रहेगा, बी सीरीज का इंडेक्स नंबर क्या लेंगे, 105 डिवाइड बाय 120 इंटू 100, ये कॉमन फैक्टर, ओवरलैपिंग फैक्टर इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि बी सीरीज में ओवरलैप नहीं हो रहा, बी सीरीज में जैसा है वैसे ही ले रहे हैं, तो बी सीरीज को 105 डिवाइड बाय 120 इंटू 100, 87.5, 90 divided by 120 into 100, 75. 120 by 120 into 100, 100. This is the base. 1988 is the base. That's all. So this is called splicing, forward and backward. This is forward splicing and this is backward splicing. This is the end of problem number 13. Now we'll start the next problem, that is 14th and 15th. These two problems are last two problems we have, 14th and 15th. After that we'll start the next topic called cost of living index. So these two problems are again on the splicing, combining two or more series having overlapping. Now see the 14th problem. Given below are the two price index series, splice them on the base 1974 is equal to 100. So we have to splice these two series, combine these two series and taking 1974 as 100. Year 1970, 71, 72 up to 75 year is given. Index number, old index 1965. 1965 is equal to 100. The old index numbers are given. New index number 1974 is equal to 100. So 1974 overlapping हो रहा, 1974 में there is overlapping. 157.1 is the old index and the new index of 1974 is 100. Now we have to splice. It's very easy, simple. So splicing of old price index to new price index. Year given, old index 1965 is equal to 100. These are the index numbers given when the index base was 1965. Now new index we have to make for 1974 is equal to 100. So already we have discussed in the previous problem. In order to find out the new index, take the present index divided by the index of the new base. The index of the new base. New base is 1975. 1974 sorry. 1974 का जो index है उसको denominator में लेंगे. So what is the old index? 141 What is the index of the new base? 157.1. New base is 1974. 1974 का index 157.5. So 141.5 divided by 157.1 into 100. This is the new index according to 1974 base. Similarly, 163.7 divided by 157.1 into 100. 158.2 divided by 157.1 into 100. 156.8 divided by 157.1 into 100. 157.1 divided by 157.1 into 100. 100 is the base. And 1975, already it is given in the problem. For 1975, the index number is 102.3. This 102.3 is the index according to new base. So there is no need to change this 102.3. 102.3 will remain same. This is the new index. That's all. This is problem number 14. Now last and final problem, problem number 15. Splice the following two series of index number downward and upward and construct new index numbers with 1999 as the base. So we have to take the base as 1991. So here what is given in the problem? Index number are 130, 160, 180, 220, 110, 130, 170. These are the old index number. Now we have to make the new index number taking the base as 1990. So 1990 को base बनाएंगे. So new index number we calculate according to this base. So 130 by 220 into 100. So splicing of index number year. Then old index number is given. Now we have to take 1999 as the base. 1999 as the base. So base year के लिए what is the index number? 220. This will take it in denominator. This we take 220 in the denominator. Numerator will take the respective every year index number. The first year index number 130. 130 by 220 into 100. 160 by 220 into 100. 180 by 220 into 100. 220 by 220 into 100. 100. अब इसके बाद के जो नंबर्स है 110, 130, 170, that is same. That is not going to change because this 100 is the index number for second series and the respective numbers are 110, 130, 170. ये 110, 130, 170 न्यू इंडेक्स के हिसाब से 100 के हिसाब से तो we are not going to change 130, 110, 130, 170. So no change in the index number for 2000, 2001, 2002. Since the index number of 1999 was already taken as base. तो ये नंबर लेने के टाइम पे ऑलरेडी बेस हमारा 1999 था. 1999 बेस के हिसाब से these are the index number. So we are not going to change these numbers. That's all. So 16th problem, 15th problem, 14th and 15th problem. It's not 16th, it is 15th problem. So we have completed all the problems on splicing, then we have base shifting, all these problems we have completed. The last topic is cost of living index. That will take up in the next video, inshallah.